Hey everyone, welcome to the next video. Now with both VS Code and Python installed, we can install the necessary Python packages as well as prepare our data for annotations. Open VS Code, open your virtual environment, go to scripts, and copy the path to activate.ps1. Open a new terminal and paste the path. This activates your Python virtual environment, allowing us to install the Python packages in the virtual environment. First, we'll install OpenCV. Next, we'll install MSS. Then we're installing Pywin. Then we're installing Keyboard, PySerial, TQDM, Pandas, Seaborn, and finally PyYAML. Now that should be the bulk of the Python packages we are installing throughout this course. Now that the Python installations are done, we can move on to collecting gameplay footage. You can record your own gameplay or download footage from online, from either Twitch or YouTube. With the footage downloaded, create two new folders, name one videos and the other exported frames. Place all the gameplay footage into the videos folder. After that, download the Python script under this video and place it into your cheats folder. With the Python script now in your cheats folder, click on it. Essentially, what this Python script does is it uses OpenCV to read in each video file and export them as individual frames. Your video folder path will go here and your export folder path will go here. These two lines type your game resolution width and game resolution height. This is monitor scale. I recommend keeping this at 4 or 5 as Valorant is a long range game and those numbers will yield the best speed. This for loop will loop over each file in your videos folder and this while loop will loop over each frame in the video file. I will now fill out each variable and run it. Once the Python script is done running, each frame should be cropped out to the right dimensions . Now that our videos are in frames, we can now move on to annotating the images.